Evernote, Notion, and Obsidian are three leading productivity tools, but they serve different workflows and user priorities. Evernote is a cloud-based notebook system focused on capture and organization. Notion is an all-in-one workspace for notes, databases, and project management. Obsidian is a local Markdown-based tool built on bidirectional linking and personal knowledge management. This comparison outlines their pricing, features, and ideal use cases. Overview of each tool. Evernote is the oldest of the three, launched around 2008. It uses cloud-based notebooks and tags, acquired by Bending Spoons in 2023. The platform has since improved with better task management, calendar integration, and a highly regarded web clipper. However, pricing remains aggressive compared to competitors. Notion is an all-in-one workspace combining notes, databases, project management, and team wikis. Its free plan offers unlimited pages and is genuinely usable. Notion is cloud-only and designed for collaboration. Obsidian saves all notes as plain Markdown files on the user's local device. There are no cloud servers by default. The tool is built around bidirectional linking, creating a network of connected notes. It offers over 1,500 community plugins and full data ownership, but has the steepest learning curve. Pricing comparison. Evernote Personal costs $14.99 per month. The free plan is severely limited with a 60-megabyte upload cap, functioning primarily as a demo. Notion costs $10 per user per month for paid plans. The free plan offers unlimited pages with reasonable limits for individual use. Obsidian is free for personal use. Commercial use costs $50 per year. The free version has no feature limitations. Winner for pricing. Obsidian with Notion as a strong second for its free tier. Organization and structure. Evernote uses notebooks and tags in a clean, familiar structure with no learning curve. Notion uses databases and pages, which are more powerful but require upfront system design. Obsidian uses bidirectional links and a graph view that visually shows how ideas connect. Users can also organize with folders if desired. Offline access and data ownership. Evernote offers offline notebooks only on paid plans. Notion is cloud-only. No internet connection means no access to notes. Obsidian works fully offline by default. Files live on the local machine and can be opened in any text editor. Winner for offline access and data ownership. Obsidian, search, and web clipping. Evernote's OCR search finds text inside images and scanned PDFs. Its web clipper is widely considered the most polished on the market. Notion's search is improving but remains basic compared to Evernote. Obsidian search is fast but text-only, without image or PDF OCR. Winner for search and web clipping. Collaboration. Notion is built for teams with real-time editing, comments, mentions, and shared workspaces. Evernote requires an enterprise plan for proper collaboration features. Obsidian is focused on personal use. Team workflows require workarounds. Winner for collaboration. Notion. Customization. Obsidian's plugin ecosystem allows users to build Kanban boards, flashcard systems, publishing platforms, and more. Notion offers templates and flexibility within its system but is less extensible than Obsidian. Evernote has the least customization of the three. Choose Notion if you work with a team, manage projects alongside notes, and want a single tool that scales. Be aware that offline access is not available. Choose Obsidian if you care about owning your data, working offline, and building a long-term personal knowledge base. It is ideal for power users and is free for personal use. Conclusion. Notion wins for team collaboration. Obsidian wins for personal knowledge management and data ownership. Evernote, while improved, offers the weakest value proposition of the three in 2026. The choice depends on whether you prioritize collaboration, data ownership, or advanced capture and search capabilities.